Talking to your kids about their bodies can be, well, a lot of things. And parents tell me that their list of worries is long. They ask me, is my kid going to be victimized online? How do I talk about things like gender when I don't even know what all the terms mean? How do I make sure that consent is woven into every aspect of their life from day one? And are preteens really making a killing selling photos of their feet on OnlyFans? To make matters worse, our kids are living in an influencer-based world where likes, follows, clicks, and views are the currency for popularity and for self-worth. And with TikTok-imposed beauty standards being rammed down their throats, it's not surprising that we see 10-year-olds in our feeds blowing their parents' money on expensive skincare routines at Sephora. It just seems too much sometimes, and I totally get it. Like it or not, your kid is growing up at lightning speed, and your conversations need to keep up with them. This is when you need to bring him back up, and that's me. I think you know by now that I want to support you in being your kid's #1 source of sexual health information. Together, we can set the foundation for you to have meaningful conversations with your kids about important stuff, ones that don't get shut down before they even start. I want to personally invite you to join me for a brand new free online workshop called What Not to Say When Talking to Your Kid About Bodies and Online Safety, and What to Say Instead. Spoiler alert, we'll be talking sending nudes, sextortion, and old school sex. You don't need to say or do things exactly like I suggest, but I want to provide you with the language, the right tools, and a starting point for these important conversations. Let's make it so they keep coming to you with their questions. Knowledge is power, and your kids deserve access to both. Sound good? Then click the link below to choose the time and date that works best for you to join me live. I'll see you soon.